Have you ever looked at your bank account after a foreign trip only to be hit with a wave of shock at the hidden fees? Currency exchange fees can be a real money sucker, especially if you're not careful. So, let's talk about Monese. How much does it actually cost to exchange currency with this digital bank? Before we dive into the numbers, let's quickly break down what Monese is. It's a mobile-first banking app that's gained popularity for its simplicity and competitive fees. But is it truly cost-effective when it comes to currency exchange? That's what we're here to find out. The Monese advantage. Monese positions itself as a fee-friendly option, especially for frequent travelers. They promise to offer fair exchange rates and minimal charges. But how does this translate into real savings for you? Let's do some math. The fair exchange rate claim. Monese often boasts about offering the real exchange rate or the mid-market rate. This is the rate you see on Google or currency converter websites. While it's true that many banks add a markup to this rate, it's essential to verify if Monese truly sticks to this claim. Hidden fees. It's not just about the exchange rate. There might be other fees lurking in the shadows. Do they charge a transaction fee, a currency conversion fee, or any other hidden charges? Let's break down the fee structure. Fee comparison. To truly understand the value proposition of Monese, we need to compare it to traditional banks and other fintech competitors. How does Monese stack up against the likes of Revolut, Wise, or your local bank? Real-life scenarios. Let's make this more practical. Let's consider a few common travel scenarios. Short weekend getaway. How much would you save with Monese compared to using your regular bank card? Long-term travel. If you're planning an extended trip, how significant are the savings? Large currency exchange. What about when you need to exchange a substantial amount of money? The fine print. While Monese might shine in some areas, it's crucial to read the fine print. There might be certain conditions or limitations to be aware of. For instance, are there limits on the amount you can exchange, or are there specific currencies that incur higher fees? User experiences. Let's hear from people who have used Monese for currency exchange. What are their experiences? Were they satisfied with the fees? Did they encounter any issues? Real-life testimonials can provide valuable insights. So, is Monese worth it when it comes to currency exchange? The answer depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. While they offer competitive rates and minimal fees, it's essential to do your own research and compare it to other options. Remember, understanding your banking fees is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Don't be afraid to shop around and find the best deal for your travel needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.